A very good evening, Team Zimbabwe, and welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network. And this evening, let us talk about what was happening in the province of Masvingo. Team Chamisa was in Masvingo, and that team has been boosted. We have seen Prince Dubeko Sibanda. We have seen other comrades from the region. We have Mama Belekezlama Plank, Romash East. We have seen them joining. To see how Team Chamisa is mobilizing for what a lot of people do not know but believe in. So we believe in change, we believe in Advocate Nelson Chamisa, and we believe that at a right time you will start to see things happening. Let us hear Comrade Ostallos destroying the Tshabangus, Ncubes, Bitis, and everything else.
It was announced by its founder and president on the 24th of January 2022. Vamuta zigaro zeku MDC Alliance. Mumamuka anzindiri vice president. Mumo Ncube anzana mbovarari. Azoka ne backdoor umea. Akuti ndiri ndawa spokesperson. Vakupana namanje. Politics as in the professor. So the school of politics is not the university. It is the people. Don't encourage politics. I will never degree. It's my degree now. Education is the key to success. We went to university. There is no door to open. Politics. It is the people. Because at the center of alternative politics are the oppressed. The downtrodden. Elisa Lungana in some air-conditioned office. What did I breathe the fresh air? You cannot breathe the fresh air. Breathe that. Today they want to trap our president. They would have they were now. So it's important to see can I rule at Tshabangu? It's very important. Ajisi yakavuta mama kansela. Nesura batasuka pano. Kansela. Iwewe mtungamiri wako ndiani? Anta mkoma sasi cha. Chamisa yanaka na Tshabangu. Angoti cha. Sikile. Tono mira. Kena wana Chamisa. Wadapane uchi. Kena wana Tshabangu. Wadapako pa Mnangagwa pakaola. You can't be both sides. And it's not possible. Now going MP Bepano, wakaita clarity. Now, we respect him. Because Anos in politics, Sakakosa is not positioned as improposition. Sakakosa, Ukaroevan, Kwachesikara. This is our ideological disposition. Now, I'm not best at the beginning in the morning, but in that it was serious. They would give him the machine of Manu. Mumamanzia, Abutachigara, not in the Secretary General. That he was passed up. We didn't have that position to distributing. Now, what are we now? Semashli. Giving drivers of the movement to the Muslim. Munafana Hazvina. pakati penu mnajua ati huyu takapamba naye, huyu hana mtoto, huyu anabeba mzigo, kila mbele. So that Simone lake litazomkumbukira kama siku ya parliament, kama siku ya uchaguzi. Hakuna mnataka baadaye akianza kutatuiropa akamira so siku na mzigo mtakona iropa siku mzigo kimepanda naye akamira kwa mzigo. Why? Sababu yenu yale because of people who are brought by tickets and betting educators. Tauba na Uwashika, we spend so much time in alternative projects. Tauba na Upavena, we must ensure the President Chabiza Wanapaka join the mayor. So that the right side, well, yeah, no, yes. Don't Mr. Chan, if you are my wish and desire, na nani wapasi masitao baba na mtanga tuaonekira na nakibiweze hebu tutachi yako sana yuasio hapo.
So this is an interesting moment, Team Zimbabwe, a moment where the truth was being said by Comrade Ostallos. And we need to tell the truth each and every time and understand where we are going as a nation. So we cannot continue like this. We cannot continue with this madness. There is a time where we need to build a bridge and understand what needs to be done. So what Comrade Ostallos and everyone else is, they are preparing the road for the president, for President Advocate Nelson Chamisa. And to those who are saying he's running a one-man show, you are mistaken, because this is a man with capability to bring a lot of people using his own team. He's not even there, but he's proving beyond reasonable doubts that he's working with people from the grassroots who are willing to partake in the struggle we have been facing. So we are politicians. We understand that there is need for a political discourse to be taken to resolve the problems we have in Zimbabwe. And we applaud President Nelson Chamisa for taking that route, that political route, to make sure that he solves the problem we are facing as a nation. So it's not something about Chamisa, it's about Zimbabwe, it's about Africa, the welfare of the people of Zimbabwe. And President Nelson Chamisa is braved to be in the midst of hyenas fighting for the nation. Just imagine that he was working with kangaroos, hyenas, and everything else. And up to this day, God preserved him. So it is what it is in Zimbabwe. We'll continue to watch and see what is happening in Zimbabwe. But I agree with Comrade Ostallos that the alternative must take over and President Nelson Chamisa must be inaugurated as the President of the Republic of Zimbabwe.